everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this beautiful white dendrobium orchid blooming in my garden. These orchids are famous for their elegant white petals and a touch of soft velvet in the center. To keep them healthy, they need bright bed in direct sunlight and proper watering. As you can see, the flowers grow in a beautiful cluster along the stem. If you love orchids as much as I do, please hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this flower beauty. See you in the next video. Have a great day.